So now let us look at the file history settings inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So to go to the file history tool settings, I need to go to the start menu, I need to right click on it, and I need to click on settings. So once I click on settings, I'll go to update and security right over here, and on left side you'll be able to find backup. So let me just click on that. And once I click on that, you can see the setting right over here, backup using file history. So it's a backup tool which is built into Windows, and it back up your files to another drive and restore them if original files are lost, damaged, or deleted. So as you create new files, what backup file history tool does is it creates a backup onto a separate drive, so that if you were to make some changes, if you were to delete some files accidentally, then you can still recover them. So usually this is recommended to be done in an external drive, or you can do it on your separate drive, that is separate partition on your drive as well. So just like that, I'm going to click on add a drive right over here. So it'll set the drive which are connected onto my computer right over here. So once that is done, you can see that there's two drives that I can use. So it will back up every file that I will choose to back up from C drive to one of these drives. So I'm just going to click on new volume E right over there. So once I click on that, you can see that now the automatic file backup file has been turned on. So if I were to make some changes into my documents or into my desktop, then the backup file will be stored. But to see what is actually stored and how it is stored, let's go to more option right over here. So on the backup option, you can see right here, so backup my files is turned on for every hour. So this is by default. You can turn the backup on every 10 minutes or every 12 hours or daily. So what you can do is you can turn on the backup option every hour or so. So every hour what it will do is it'll back up the files stored on your specific folders of C drive, and then we'll copy that out and make a copy on the E drive that I chose. So here there's another option, keep my backup. So how long you want to keep that backup is there as well. So forever means that it'll keep the backup forever, but usually until space is needed is what I choose, because like if the file keeps on filling up, then what it does is that Windows will delete the old backup files which are not used. So usually this is the efficient one. You can also say 1 month, 3 months, and according to that time it'll delete out the backup files if they are not used anymore. Yeah, so right now it is backing up the data. As you can see right here, it's copying out the files, and if you want to manually backup, you can click on backup now and it'll back up the files for you. So you can go over here and you can also choose the folders you want to backup. So right now you can see that all of these folders right over here are being backed up. If you want to add a particular folder, you can click on add a folder right over here, navigate to any of the folders you want, and then choose that folder, and it'll be added in the backup list as well. If I want to exclude something, then I can simply click on the folder and click on remove, just like that, and it'll be removed. I can click on links, remove it. So just like that, I can choose, let's say for example, I just want the desktop, then I can remove out the other folders and they won't be backed up anymore. So once the folders that I wanted is there, so I want to not back up the videos as well, just like that. So let's say I just want to back up these folders. Once I'm happy with what I want to back up, I can simply click on backup now, and then it will back up all the data right over there onto the drive. So that is how you can use the backup options inside of Windows 10 to use the file history tool. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.